You do not need a huge budget or a big factory to start a real food business. Today, I will show you 15 compact machines from China that cost less than $5,000 and can help you launch your own products. Number 15. Automatic Dough Pressing Machine. ZMY 500. Starting at $1,350, the ZMY 500 is a compact, high-efficiency dough pressing machine perfect for bakeries and small food factories. It flattens and folds dough automatically, replacing tedious manual labor and reducing strain on your staff. Its low-noise belt and chain drive system ensures smooth operation, while the adjustable rollers give you control over dough thickness. The folding design saves space and cleaning is quick and easy. With a 3 kilowatts motor and sturdy build, it's a reliable choice for consistent daily use. Use it to produce dough sheets for noodles, dumplings, pastries, or flatbreads. Ideal for launching your own bakery brand or supplying local food businesses. Number 14. Mini VFS Sachet Packing Machine. Priced between $3,000 to $5,000, this compact automatic machine is great for packing grains, powders, liquids, or gels into sachets, 100 grams. It's perfect for products like sugar, rice, or coffee beans. The VFS system forms, fills, seals, and prints bags with minimal input, great for small businesses. It also supports extras like nitrogen flushing for extended shelf life. Easy to clean and operate, this machine is a smart investment for launching your own snack, spice, or sample size product line. Number 13. Meat and Vegetable Dehydration Machine. Turn fresh produce into shelf-stable snacks or ingredients with this compact industrial dehydrator. It's perfect for drying vegetables, fruits, or meats, ideal for health food brands, soup mix makers, or dried snack sellers. Built from stainless steel and designed for high efficiency, it fits well in commercial kitchens or food factories. With smart packaging, products can be sold to organic stores, campers, or gourmet retailers. The machine is CE and SGS certified, easy to operate, and powered by 380V. Pricing ranges from $800 to $2,000, making it a solid entry point for small food businesses. Number 12. DFB Semi-Automatic Powder Filling Machine. Priced at $2,000, the DFB Semi-Automatic Filling Machine is an excellent choice for efficiently packing powders into bottles, jars, or bags. It can handle a variety of products like milk powder, spices, detergent, and more. The machine operates at a speed of 10 to 20 bottles per minute, with a high level of accuracy for both small and large fill volumes ranging from 1 gram to 30 grams. Built with food-grade stainless steel for durability, it's easy to clean and maintain. Perfect for small businesses, this machine ensures consistent, high-quality filling and is a cost-effective solution for boosting productivity in your packaging line. Number 11. 2024 Hot Multifunctional Desktop Chocolate Tempering Machine. Multifunctional chocolate tempering machine is perfect for small-scale chocolate makers or artisanal chocolatiers. This machine efficiently tempers, melts, and dispenses chocolate in various forms, including drops, chips, and buttons. With a capacity of 5.5 liters or 10 liters, ensures high-speed, consistent production, making it perfect for businesses that want to scale up chocolate making. As for the business plan, you can start a small chocolate production line focusing on premium artisanal chocolate products. Packaged in elegant resealable pouches or custom-designed boxes, these chocolates can be sold in local cafes, organic stores, or even online platforms. The versatility of the machine makes it ideal for producing unique chocolate products, which could also be marketed as gift items or party favors, targeting special events or corporate gifts. Number 10. Keyfi Automatic Pre-Made Bag Packing Machine. Looking to streamline your packaging process? The Keyfi Automatic Pre-Made Bag Packing Machine is perfect for businesses needing efficient, high-quality bagging for products like snacks, rice, and seasonings. It quickly fills and seals pouches ranging from 20 grams to 2 kilograms at speeds of 5 to 38 bags per minute. This machine is a great option for small-scale food producers aiming to scale up production. It's ideal for local retailers, wholesalers, or even creating subscription box services. With eco-friendly packaging options, you can tap into a premium market. Priced between $4,500 to $10,000, it's a smart investment for improving your packaging line. Number 9. Small Multi-Food Packing Machine. This small multi-food packing machine is designed for packing dry foods like candies, nuts, seeds, and trail mix with ease. It handles small quantities from 1 gram to 300 grams, making it ideal for portion-sized snacks. You can start a healthy snack business targeting busy parents or school lunch providers. Packaged in eco-friendly sachets, the snacks are convenient and attractive to health-conscious customers. With speeds of 30 to 70 bags per minute, this machine offers efficiency and flexibility, including options for 3-side or 4-side seal bags. The price range of $2,000 to $4,000 makes it an accessible investment for small businesses looking to enter the snack industry. Number 8. Gummy and Lollipop Candy Machine. Create your own line of gummies or lollipops with this automatic candy-making system. It handles everything from cooking and forming to cooling and demolding. Whether you're producing soft gummies or fun-shaped lollipops, this machine helps streamline the entire process. Ideal for starting a sweets brand or expanding into custom candy manufacturing for parties, stores, or online shops. The line is built to GMP standards, runs on electric power, and comes with video support for setup. Pricing starts at $4,000, making it a solid investment for a scalable confectionery business. Number 7. Carton Food Packaging Box Industrial Conveyor Belt Metal Detector Machine. Designed for high-efficiency food production lines, this system combines a conveyor belt with an integrated metal detector to ensure the safety of packaged products. It automatically scans for metallic contaminants, preventing the risk of contamination in food items. Priced at $3,000, it's an essential investment for food manufacturers aiming to meet strict safety standards. This equipment can be marketed to food factories or processing plants looking for reliable solutions to ensure product quality. Not only does it boost productivity, but it also guarantees compliance with food safety regulations, making it a must-have for businesses aiming to maintain high-quality control throughout production. Number 6. Multifunction Automatic Vertical Pouch Machine for Food Sugar Snack Chips Packaging Bag Bagger. Designed for efficiency, this automatic packing machine handles a variety of products including snacks, sugar, and spices. It fills and seals pouches, creating neat, retail-ready packaging with ease. Whether you're packing chips, powders, or other foods, this machine simplifies the process and ensures consistent results. Priced between $4,400 and $4,800, it offers great value for businesses looking to boost production. Made by Hangzhou Evalcon in China, this machine delivers high-quality performance from filling to sealing with minimal supervision required. Ideal for expanding your product line, it guarantees fast and reliable packaging for all your needs. Number 5. 1 kilogram Bag Packing Machine. This machine efficiently packages products like flour, sugar, and rice into 1 kilogram pouches, filling and sealing up to 35 bags per minute. It's perfect for businesses aiming to streamline packaging with minimal supervision. With this machine, you can offer bulk packaging solutions to schools, caterers, and local grocery stores. To stand out, consider offering eco-friendly or reusable packaging to attract environmentally conscious customers, positioning your products as premium. The price ranges from $3,000 to $5,000, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses looking to expand in food packaging while meeting increasing demand for sustainable options. Number 4. Small Sachet Granule Packing Machine. This compact machine is built for speed and accuracy. It fills and seals tiny sachets of granular products like sugar, salt, or spices, perfect if you are planning to sell single-serve packs in bulk. You can create your own branded sachets and supply them to cafes, hotels, or restaurants. Even export is possible with proper labeling. This machine gives you a clean, professional finish every time. The best part is it does not take up much space and can run in a small home setup. Package your product in 1,000-unit lots and target food service companies that always need single-serve convenience. Number 3. Commercial Ice Cube Maker, 300 kilograms/day. Ideal for food processing units, cafes, or seafood markets, this commercial ice cube maker produces up to 300 kilograms of ice per day. Its modular, air-cooled system ensures stable performance even in warmer environments up to 38 OC, and the stainless steel body guarantees durability and hygiene. Available in various cube sizes, it suits a range of needs from drink cooling to food preservation. Easy to maintain and energy efficient, it's a smart addition to any food business looking to scale operations or reduce reliance on outsourced ice. Pricing begins at $1,500 for a minimum of 2 units. Number 2. Small Vacuum Skin Packaging Machine. Start your small batch meat or seafood business with a professional edge using this compact vacuum skin packaging machine. Priced between $1,000 to $1,200, it seals fresh products like fish fillets, chicken, or beef directly on the trays in a vacuum-tight wrap. This kind of packaging keeps food fresher for longer, preserves natural color and texture, and gives your product a high-end store-ready look. It's a great solution for local farms, butchers, or gourmet meal services aiming to sell at markets, online, or to boutique grocers. Number 1. Commercial Electric Corn Mill Grinder. Perfect for scaling up grain production, this high-output grinder processes between 5,000 to 12,000 kilograms per hour, ideal for food factories, bulk flour producers, or even animal feed businesses. It handles corn, wheat, rice, soybeans, and more with adjustable grind settings for different end uses. This machine suits entrepreneurs looking to supply local bakeries, organic stores, or breweries needing freshly milled grains. It's also great for farms producing their own livestock feed or selling whole grain flour at farmers markets. Built with efficiency in mind, it combines industrial performance with ease of use and low maintenance. Depending on specifications, the commercial corn mill grinder is available at a price between $400 and $1,200. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful and you're interested in more business ideas or machine insights, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.